So my name is Giani Rohdearni. I'm an Indonesian who's now enrolled in a master program in the International Master of Culinary and Prehistory. I'm based in Paris because that's my host university. I have a bachelor's degree in archaeology. My thesis was focused on use trace on bone tools, but I was not really looking forward to continue that. So in this master, I'm trying to be more focused on palynology. I found flowers to be beautiful, but not only that, they're also very insightful in their pollen specifically. And I thought reconstructing paleo environments would be something really fun and cool to do. So that's what that's what I'm pursuing right now. Because I'm a master's student, I thought it might be nice to have to broaden my knowledge. Because as far as I know, as far as I have my study journey, I don't really expose myself to this kind of conferences. This is all very new to me. The contemporary discussion, the discussion about contemporary communities and about other medias for contributing to communities, it's kind of new, and I never really actually been in this kind of talks. It's kind of philosophical, more philosophical than I thought it would be. So yeah, I guess I'm trying to train my brain to also welcome these new ideas instead of just pushing them. Because working in a science that works on the past, we are kind of used to certain values, certain sciences, certain insights, certain methods. But coming to this kind of talks, it kind of opened my minds to be more, I would say, to be more contemporary as well, to not be closed off with new ideas and approaches. The thing about pollen in archaeology, it gives more context to the chronological of the site, the chronological section of the site. It would let you know about the vegetation of the site as well. So you would know whether the site they have a very specific or localized vegetation, or it would tell you whether this vegetation is domesticated or natural by the specific of the pollen. And you can also tell whether the climate in the vegetation, you can tell if this vegetation can grow in a very warm or dry or very cold, So that context, that climatic context, that chronological context is what we use in archaeology to also add some more insights to the archaeological sites. Yeah. For example, here in Apheleia, I'm going to talk about how human occupation back in western part of Europe. I'm going to talk about that, how they manage the landscape. And I guess palynology could really help to see patterns, how human try to exploit the landscape, how they use the landscape. And it would help us also to understand, other than understanding the past, the insight will also help us to be better in the present. We can maybe use it or have it to strategize in the future, what else can we do, or if there's anything else that we could maybe retry. The one that in the past maybe we did it, but then because there was lacking of technology or whatnot, so we can use it again in the future. Yeah.